This video will show you how to connect and install the Feit Electric Smart Camera Bulb. To start, turn off the light switch. Then, screw the camera into any standard light socket. Open the rubber gasket and insert the micro SD card. Turn on the light switch. Ensure that your camera is in pairing mode. If it isn't, press and hold the reset button until you hear an audible tone. Then, close the rubber gasket. Open the Feit Electric app. Tap Add. Enter your Wi-Fi information and tap Next. Wait for the camera to finish adding. Tap Done. You can record video, use the two-way audio to talk, or take a screenshot. Change the direction of your camera. And activate motion tracking, motion detection, sound detection, or patrol mode. With Feit Electric, total security just got easier.